In the quest to understand and combat genetic diseases, scientists have long grappled with the immense complexity of the human genome. Despite significant advancements since the completion of the Human Genome Project in 2003, progress in identifying disease-causing genetic variants has been slower than initially hoped. However, a groundbreaking initiative known as the Primate Genome Project is now offering new hope by leveraging our evolutionary relationships with other primates to accelerate genetic research and potentially revolutionize our approach to treating genetic diseases. The challenge of genetic disease research. The human genome, comprising approximately 3 billion base pairs, contains an estimated 70 million protein-altering variants. Of these, only about 0.1% have known links to diseases, leaving the vast majority as variants of uncertain clinical significance. This uncertainty presents a significant obstacle in the field of genetic medicine, as researchers struggle to identify which mutations are truly responsible for various diseases. The complexity of this task stems from several factors: the sheer length and intricacy of the human genome, the inevitability of errors during DNA replication, the fact that most diseases result from complex interactions between multiple genes, gene expression, and environmental factors. Given these challenges, geneticists have been searching for innovative approaches to accelerate their research and improve their ability to identify disease-causing mutations. The Primate Genome Project, a new approach. Enter the Primate Genome Project, an ambitious international collaboration involving over 100 researchers from various countries. This project aims to catalog and analyze the genomes of a wide range of primate species, offering a fresh perspective on human genetics through the lens of our evolutionary relatives. Key aspects of the Primate Genome Project include sample collection. DNA samples were gathered from more than 200 primate species, representing approximately half of all known primate species. These samples came from various sources: animals in captivity, wild populations, preserved specimens dating back to the 1960s. Collaboration with industry. The project received significant support from Illumina, a leading DNA sequencing company, which provided sequencing services in exchange for access to the valuable primate samples. Data sharing. The resulting genomic data is being shared widely among researchers, fostering collaboration and accelerating discoveries. The power of comparative genomics. The primary strategy employed by the Primate Genome Project is comparative genomics, essentially playing a massive game of spot the difference across primate species. This approach offers several advantages: identifying stable genes. By comparing genomes across multiple primate species, researchers can identify genes that rarely vary. These stable genes are likely to be crucial for survival, and mutations in them are more likely to cause diseases. Flagging benign variants. Conversely, if a specific genetic variant appears in multiple species, it's less likely to be harmful. This insight allows researchers to eliminate millions of variants from consideration as potential disease-causing mutations. Evolutionary context. By studying the genomes of our closest evolutionary relatives, scientists can gain insights into the development and function of various genes over time. Leveraging AI. Primate AI 3D. To fully harness the power of this vast genomic dataset, researchers developed an artificial intelligence tool called Primate AI 3D. This neural network was trained using the primate variant data to analyze protein structures and predict whether specific mutations are likely to cause problems. Key features of Primate AI 3D include protein structure analysis. The AI examines how mutations affect the three-dimensional structure of proteins, providing insights into potential functional impacts. Disease association. By comparing its predictions with data from over 450,000 human genomes, Primate AI 3D can identify genes with a higher likelihood of being associated with specific diseases. Rare variant identification. The tool is particularly useful for pinpointing rare genetic variants that may play a role in complex diseases. Early successes and future potential. The Primate Genome Project and the associated AI tools have already yielded promising results. High cholesterol research. The project identified rare variants in 2 genes, LDLR and PCSK9, that likely influence an individual's risk of developing high cholesterol and heart disease. This finding provides a strong foundation for further research into targeted therapies. Complex Disease Insights. By helping researchers focus on the most promising genetic leads, the project has the potential to accelerate breakthroughs in understanding and treating a wide range of complex diseases. Personalized medicine. As our understanding of genetic variants improves, there's potential for more tailored and effective treatments based on an individual's specific genetic profile. Beyond human health, broader implications for primate research. While the primary goal of the Primate Genome Project is to advance human health research, the unprecedented breadth of genomic data collected has far-reaching implications for primate biology and conservation, primate evolution and migration. The genomic relationships revealed by this project provide new insights into the evolutionary history and migration patterns of various primate species. Challenging the species concept. The discovery of evidence for fertile hybrids between different primate species challenges traditional notions of species boundaries and provides new perspectives on primate behavior and interactions in the wild. Conservation efforts. The genomic data can inform conservation strategies by providing a deeper understanding of genetic diversity within and between primate populations. Habitat adaptation. By studying genetic variations across different primate species and their habitats, researchers can gain insights into how various environments shape genomic changes over time. Challenges and future directions. Despite its promising start, the Primate Genome Project and related research face several challenges. Data volume. With millions of genetic variants to analyze, even with AI assistance, the task of identifying all potentially harmful mutations remains daunting. Functional validation. Identifying potentially harmful variants is just the first step. Researchers must still conduct extensive studies to confirm the actual impact of these variants on health and disease. Ethical considerations. As with all genetic research, there are important ethical considerations regarding privacy, consent, and the potential misuse of genetic information. Translating findings to treatments. While identifying disease-associated genes is crucial, developing effective treatments based on this knowledge remains a complex and time-consuming process. Conclusion. The Primate Genome Project represents a significant leap forward in genetic research, offering new hope for understanding and treating a wide range of diseases. By leveraging our evolutionary relationships with other primates and harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, scientists are accelerating the pace of discovery in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. As this project continues to yield insights, it has the potential to revolutionize not only our approach to human health, but also our understanding of primate biology, evolution, and conservation. The collaborative nature of this endeavor, bringing together researchers from around the world and across disciplines, showcases the power of international scientific cooperation in tackling some of the most complex challenges facing modern medicine and biology. While there is still much work to be done, the Primate Genome Project has already demonstrated its value in helping researchers navigate the vast sea of genetic data more efficiently. As we continue to unravel the mysteries hidden within our DNA and that of our primate relatives, we move closer to a future where genetic diseases can be better understood, prevented, and treated, improving the lives of millions around the world.